Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, hi, karibu sana to the family. On the sixth video, I'm going to be showing you how to make ukwaju, or rather tamarind sauce. If you're interested to see how this sauce is made, let's get this video started. Peace. So for the ingredients today, we're going to be having ukwaju or tamarind. This you can find at your local mama mboga or the soko. So it's very affordable, like 50 shillings. Then you can have half a large garlic, or basically one small garlic clove. I have here 2 dried chopped chilies. You can always adjust the chili depending on how bitter you want it. Then I have here 1 small chopped onion, and we have salt. So those are the ingredients. And yeah, in your pot or sufuria, you want to add in your ukwaju like that. Then we're going to be adding some water to fill it. Next, you're going to be adding your salt. So you want to cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, or until it forms a thick paste. So I'll see you guys after it has formed a thick paste. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it has been simmering for a while. You can press onto it to make it more juicy. As you can see, like that. I'm going to be adding some water, kidogo tu. And then depending on how sour you want it, you can always add sugar to make it sweet. Okay, so guys, our ukwaju has cooled. It has a very thick sauce, as you can see. So I'm going to be squeezing this out. Then yeah. Okay, so I have some warm water in a sufuria. I'm going to be adding it. Kidogo, so hot. Then so chunky. Then take it to the fire. So our ukwaju has boiled, as you can see. So you're going to let it cool, and then you're going to take it to the blender so that you can make the ukwaju sauce. Ukwaju. See you then. In a tin. So yeah, there is our ukwaju. Perfect. That is it for the 6th video. Thank you for 310 subscribers. So share this video with your friends. If you enjoyed it, like it, comment down in the comment section and tell me if you try it. Also tag me on my Instagram, and don't forget to tap the bell to get notified every single time I post. Until I see you guys next time, bye guys, peace.